got the set. Time to start cleaning up all this wiring. We're gonna get rid of this Dakota Digital. It's a signal interface for the speedometer, but we're still having issues with the speedometer. We're gonna have to go to a GPS speedometer, so we're just gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up all this wiring and go ahead and get it tucked nice and tidy. This purple wire is going to be our ignition wire, which hooks up to the ignition switch right here on this yellow wire coming out of the steering column. So I've just got to go ahead and cut this and connect these. It's time to find a heat gun and shrink them up. Alright, now I've got everything back connected within the dash. I'm going to have to go ahead and put the rest of the dash back in so that I can figure out where to put the OBD2 connector. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and start running my fuel gauge. It'll connect to that connector right there on the back side, so that we can tell what the fuel level is. Okay, so now I've got the fuel gauge connected and working. On the kit that Novak sent us, they sent a whole lot of extra wires going to the sending unit for the fuel pump. So I'm going to go under here, cap these off, and tuck them away. Now those wires are gone. I'm going to start buttoning up all the wires that are in the engine bay. May not be able to see it with the camera. We've got a few wires just running by themselves exposed. I'm going to go ahead and tuck those up, put them in a loom, and make sure that everything's done on the wiring side of it. So everything's tucked and ran in the engine bay. The only thing left that I need loom for is right down here. Let's see if I can get a light for it. Right down here, these wires. I'm just going to get a large loom because it just runs straight through the firewall. I'll have to go to town and grab that tomorrow. Now I'm just going to throw the rear tire on and find some other things to button up. forgot the center cap.